Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. It's a happy day. Yes, it is. The sun is shining. I woke up this morning, and you have joined me. What a wonderful day. Okay, so I'm going to make for you a salmon and home fries delight. Salmon and home fries delight. Okay, so what that is, we're gonna cook some salmon and some home fries and some vegetables, all just for you. Okay, so stay tuned. Let's do it. Thanks. Thumbs up, please. Thank you. Love you. Sorry if I'm moving the camera. Okay, I gotta move it one more time. Actually, it's not right. There we go. That's better. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to take the skin off the salmon. I have two pieces. I already took the skin off one piece, and I have two pieces, see? So now we're going to take the skin off the second piece. I did a video a week ago, and I had already taken the skin off, so I thought it would be a good idea to show you. Okay, so you're going to take your knife, just cut it right in half. Now you're going to take that knife and you're going to just slide it underneath the meat part of the salmon. But don't cut all the way down because you don't want the skin. And you're just moving that knife straight down until it comes off. See that? Skin is off. Okay? I'll show you one more time with this other end. So you can see, here's the skin. And I'm going to cut that part off. I'm going right underneath, and I'm just sliding it down, trying to get much of the salmon meat as I can. Not meat, but fish. Okay, the skin is off. So now we have one, two. I had two pieces of salmon, now I have four. See that? That's enough for 4 people. Okay, I want to just sanitize the counter and come right back. Okay, so now I want to season the salmon. I have some garlic and herb seasoning by Blvd. And what it's going to do is put a nice crust on top of the salmon. On both sides. That's what I'm looking for. That's what it looks like. So it's the garlic and herbs all in one. I'm going to put some black pepper on there. Okay. And let's go with some onion, granulated onion. I'm sorry I didn't show you the black pepper. Okay. My frying pan is getting too hot. I'm going to cut that off in a minute. Okay, now I want to turn that over and do the other side. So our skin is off, as you can see. You know, when you take the skin off, you can cook salmon in many ways because you don't have the skin. You can treat it just like you treat any other type of meat or vegetable. Okay, now I have the same seasonings on all sides. Now I want the frying pan hot because I want to put that crust on there, okay? Okay, so I'm going to turn my fire back on. I believe my frying pan is hot. We're going to find out. I'm going to put it in. Oh yeah, you hear that? She's hot. Okay, and while it's frying, I have some green peas that I already pre-cooked. I poured the water off, and then I added 2 sticks of butter and mixed it in. And so this is what we have here. This is about a cup of green peas. This is 2 white potatoes, 1 red pepper, a half of a large onion. Okay, so now let's see if I can turn it over. I'm going to let it sit there a little while. Get that crust nice and crisp. I'll give it another minute. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the salmon out of the frying pan, and then I'm going to actually add the home fries and the onions right to the same oil because I want the flavor of the salmon. Okay, so let me see if I can turn it over. Oh yeah, guys, look at that crust right there. See that? That's what I'm looking for. Actually, I'm not going to use this oil because the garlic and herbs are turning brown because they're cooking, and so I don't want my dish to show up with the darker tones of the herbs, and so I'm going to wash the frying pan out after this, okay? So that's a correction that I'm making with you. Okay, I'm putting a mesh over the plate. This came from my air fryer. You know, it doesn't take fish long to cook. You don't want to overcook it. A couple of, maybe 3 to 4 minutes on salmon fish is good. I'll give this just 1 more minute and I'm good. That one is not as dark as the others, so I'm going to move it around. See that? I hope your day is going well. It's about 80 degrees in Massachusetts today. Okay, I'm going to take this one out. And this one, and the last 2. Cut the fire off. Let me show you this. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Nice, hard, crisp on there. The flavor of the garlic and herbs on there. Now this is what I'm talking about the frying pan. I would like to use it, but unfortunately the herbs got dark and I don't want that to show up in my recipe. So I'm going to wash the frying pan out and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put some olive oil in the frying pan, not much. See, down there. So I just add a little at a time of olive oil as I need it, okay? Because you don't need to have a lot of oil to cook anything. Okay, so I have my 2 white potatoes cut up. Oops, drop one. Cut it up like that. Okay, I'm going to put them in. Okay, and I'm going to add my half of a large onion. I slice the onions like so. And I'm going to let that cook down a few minutes, and then I'll turn them as I need them. I am going to put a little olive oil on the top so that olive oil is on everything. Okay, so I'm going to let that get started. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Thank you. Okay, the home fries have been cooking for about 6 minutes. I'm going to start adding seasoning to it. First, I want to add the 1 red pepper that's already cut up. That's to give some flavor and color. Now I'm going to add some granulated onion. Some black pepper. And I'm going to add a half a tablespoon, if I can get it, of crushed garlic. Okay, and I want to mix that up. Oh, does that look good? Okay, so I'm going to let that cook another 2 minutes or so, and then I want to plate up to present to you. Okay? Okay, so let's give it 2 minutes and I will give you the word of the day. Jealousy. Jealousy. Maybe you're dealing with a mate who is jealous. No matter what you do, you're cheating. No matter what you say, you're cheating. No matter where you go, you're cheating. They check your phone. They even check other items, okay? Because no matter what you say, it's in their head whether you're cheating or not. And you'll never satisfy this person. You'll never be able to have peace. So the best thing to do is walk away, because jealousy will win at the end and never you. Jealousy, that's a problem. That's the word of the day. Think about it. Okay, let's get back to our food that's cooking. Okay. Our home fries are done with our peppers and onions. So let me plate up and present the meal to you. 1 second. Okay. So here's what we're looking like so far. I took the green peas and put it around the plate. I put the home fries right in the middle and the salmon on the top. So you see how you can present your food so that it looks delicious, just like you're eating at a restaurant. You want to do that at home. Okay, I have some limes. Got 1 lime I cut into 4 pieces right here. I'm going to squeeze the lime juice over the salmon to give it a nice citrus taste. So I have 4 pieces, so I'm going to squeeze all 4 on each piece. And my last one. There we go. Now let you see that so I can take a taste. Okay, guys, look at that. How about that, huh? Beautiful. Salmon potato delight. This is your whole meal. Okay? So enjoy. Salmon is a great, great fish. You get a lot of what you need from fish, and so you might want to incorporate that weekly in your diet. Okay, so until next time, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and please subscribe. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.